Today I'll be doing a quick bottom lash tutorial because I'm on my way to sing and hang out. You ready?
Stay tuned.
Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Renee Mar. Yeah, Renee Mar.
Hey Beatin' Bombays, Grenade Mari here, thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. Today I'm going to be doing a quick bottom lash tutorial. This tutorial only requires that you have 3 items: lashes, tweezers, and adhesive. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Subscribe weekly every Sunday for more content. So we're starting with our tweezers. The way that I grab the lashes is by going underneath the lash with my tweezer and grabbing it all together so that it goes in one direction. So I have my individual lash on my tweezers. I'm about to put a little bit of glue on my lash. And I'm going to try to get as close to my lash line as I can. And I also want to hold it out so that it will dry with my lashes. I like to do 3, so I'm going to do another prong right here. Yeah, I'm going to do one more right here. And I want to hold it for a little bit. And I also want to lift it so that it does not stay flat on my face.
Ooh, look at the time. Let me hurry up.
Okay. Alrighty, so I have my glue. Hello? I'm at home on my way. You ready?
Thank you for tuning in to this bottom lash tutorial. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday.
We see you, girl, and I'll see you next video. May your day be as bomb as you are. Bye. What y'all still doing here?